Hey, did you know that you could be watching this and all of the other amazing Lake TV shows on streaming? Yeah, you probably did, but it's important that we get the message out because Como is about to move away from hosting expensive cable packages. So it's going to be more important to catch us on streaming than ever. Check us out on Roku, on YouTube, tons of options, and for more information, check out our socials. Now let's get back to Weekend at the Lake. The sun is shining on the lake, and what more can we ask? Welcome to the early stages of summer's full bloom and another episode of Weekend at the Lake presented by Chris Lightco. I'm here to give you some of the best ideas for how to spend your precious, limited time each weekend. We're all busy folks in an even busier world, so when fun and freedom knock on the door, you best be ready to get the most of it, whatever that may mean for you. Before we start, a huge thank you to Chris Lightco, who are the reason I get to do this awesome job and do my best to show you all a good time. For the best architectural, house, and dock lighting at the lake, you can thank them by giving them a call and letting them illuminate your slice of the Ozarks. Now let's hit the pavement. Now, how do y'all feel about dirt track racing? If it's your thing, and it's rightfully a lot of people's thing because it's pretty awesome, then you should check out the 33rd annual Show Me 100 presented by the Missouri Division of Tourism, because of course the official Missouri government would be doing things like dirt track racing. From Thursday to Saturday, you have 3 awesome, intense nights of incredible spectacle of Lucas Oil Late Model Dirt Series. We've covered dirt track racing a few times here at Lake TV, and I've had the pleasure of getting to edit the footage, and man, it's a heck of a show. And that's 3 full nights of fun, so no evening is wasted. I call that a recipe for a great time. Check it out from the 22nd to the 24th at Lucas Oil Speedway. It's Memorial Day weekend, so of course we have some great ways to celebrate the holiday. Now, before I tell you where to go to get the most of your extra day off, we should recognize Memorial Day as intended. A solemn appreciation of the soldiers who gave their lives just trying to do their best for this country. People who wanted to protect the ones they love at home. People who put themselves on the line because folks with money and authority had a problem they needed worked out, and innocents were in danger because of it. General Tommy Franks said nobody hates war like a soldier hates war. Remember that armed conflict is always a last resort, for the sake of those we send to do it at the very least. So, while you're celebrating the inalienable rights that they fought for you to have, just make sure you hold that sacrifice dear. And remember that word, inalienable. It means cannot be taken away or given because it is nobody else's to give or take. Everyone has their own from the moment they're born, no matter who they are or what else they have. As for the fun, Margaritaville, H-Toads, and Lodge of the Four Seasons are all hosting some fantastic fun for the occasion with live music in the works. Check them out and have a great time with your very inalienable freedom. Now, enough of my preaching. Let's hear a word from our fantastic sponsors. Take it away.
They always say that seeing is believing, and to see the breathtaking beauty of your lakefront paradise, it needs to be lit correctly. Chris Lightco takes your space and illuminates it like never before. From your home and walkways to your dock and lakefront oasis, Chris Lightco lights up the Lake of the Ozarks.
Osage River Popcorn, your home at the lake for fresh, gourmet popcorn. But it doesn't stop at just what's in the name. Come see us on Bagnell Dam in Lake Ozark for Stom European chocolate, gelato, and so much more. We've even got a drive-thru with specialty coffee. And yes, our gourmet popcorn is still popped fresh daily. Come on by as a stranger and leave as a friend, with an armful of the sweetest treats at the lake. Osage River Popcorn in Lake Ozark. See you soon!
Chris Lightco is local and ready to light up your lakefront oasis. So call us today to schedule your free consultation so we can illuminate your slice of heaven. But for now, back to Weekend at the Lake with David Leatherbery, brought to you by Chris Lightco.
A big thanks to the real ones who keep us working. Next up is the Canna Gala Memorial Day Extravaganza. That's a good word. There's a pre-party on Friday and the Big Bash on Saturday. A bunch of great live music, King Ego and Joe Tyler, and if you recognize the word canna, then you know what this event is there to celebrate. It's weed. If that's your scene. There's going to be a Dabstar 420 giveaway to, and I quote, win top-tier products to elevate your 420 experience. Interpret that as you will. Don't forget that the Dragon Lake Ren Fair is still going this weekend at the Lori Fairgrounds. Embrace a bit of fantasy and fun in or out of costume, it's your choice. It's just getting started, so let's help grow it into something really cool. It's fun, creative, and family friendly, and that's just what the lake needs. And this Saturday is the grand opening of Super Splash USA. The huge new slide, the Patriot Plunge, is up and running, so get your tickets and check out the brand new water park at the lake and all the amazing changes that they've made. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and the fantastic new LOZ app to stay connected with us. If you have an event you want discussed here on the show, make sure you send me the information at davidl@mylaketv.com because I think that would be pretty cool of you. All right, thanks for joining us, and I hope you have a really great time this weekend and get the most out of it. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend, but, like I said, while you have fun, make sure your heart stays with the brave folks who we honor with this important holiday. Just be good to each other and have a fantastic weekend at the lake.